your new vision. Hello guys, this newly purchased 2024 iPad Pro 11-inch model with an M4 chip is actually considered a 2018 product. So what makes the new iPad Pro so great? For starters, the Ultra Retina XDR display is the finest OLED panel. The new update contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and eye-scorching whites that pair perfectly with the sharp 2360 by 1640 resolution. Everything from videos to games and comics looks stunning. Now, the iPad Pro starts at 256 GB. Now let's open the box and check what is inside it. But this time the screen uses a double layer of LiDAR said to be the pinnacle for binge watching. And another reason for buying it is because it's thin enough, which you really can feel the moment you hold it. Then let's see what else there is. A charger. This should also be 20. Probably just a 20 watts charger with dual Type-C ports. Then I heard that this subtitles provided by the Amara.org removed the sticker. Yes, they put stickers on it as well. Okay, let's take a look. I still went for the silver one. I think Apple's silver products are unique to them. Not. That's really slim this time. What is this again? Although there is still a small flaw. Here, let me show you this part. I don't know what it is, but it can't be wiped off. It's so uncomfortable. Can't wipe it off. Okay, this is the iPad Pro. Let's look at its slimness. Indeed. It's super slim. Let me grab something for comparison, and you'll feel its thinness. I found my old iPhone 12 Pro to show you all this. The difference in thickness. Then I compared it with my previous 9.7-inch iPad Pro. Actually, I thought the previous 9.7 inches iPad Pro was quite thin, but after measuring I found it to be 5.8 millimeters. This one is 5.2 millimeters, so the new iPad Pro is indeed quite slim and light. Holding it, you can feel it's a bit bigger but significantly lighter. The difference is quite noticeable after entering the system. This double-layer OLED screen is indeed very eye-catching from any angle. You'd think its color bias is minimal. For binge watching or viewing HDR movies. If you're just using it to binge watch shows, I think it's not very meaningful for most people. Actually, buying an iPad Air is more worth it. But the product is not bad. What do you think about this model? Let me know in the comments section below. It's basically because of its screen or the M4 chip that he went for it. Well, it's like he thinks he has to buy the top-notch hardware. Can't argue with that. But you shouldn't. But for the vast majority of people, buying it ends up just collecting dust over time. Only a small number of people will use it for some creation or some editing or something like PDFs. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more videos like this. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel @tree.